Hey, what's up, y'all? How are y'all doing today, baby? It's your boy Top Tech Investing here today, back with another video. Let's just get right to it. Dude, look at my account. I'm up $56 on the day. All thanks to Neo. It's literally all thanks to Neo. Holy, Neo's making new highs. I just released a video earlier while Neo was at Neo was only at, it was at like 39 $38 and just doesn't care. Dude, Neo's just going crazy. It just doesn't care. It broke through $40 and it's just gonna rocket higher. This week has just been insane. I mean, from $30, $40. Let's look at the month. It's up 89% on the month. On the month, we rounded up 90% on the month. What? 30% on the week. 7% on the day. As you can see, I added a lot more to Neo. I believe my last Robinhood recap, I was about like $50 in total, right? That I had in Neo. Now I have 300. I've been selling some of my options. It's kind of just a whole bunch of mumbo jumbo. You can't really tell, but I've been selling a lot of my options, right? I've been cashing out on them. As you can see here, I don't have as many Neo options. I bought a whole lot of other options, but as far as Neo, I bought this one, the $43, $45 calls. If we look in the options chain, I actually bought them before. Here, let's go to November 20th for the option. As you can see, $43, $45 call. I bought them before even $46, $47, all the way up to $55 were even registered on the chain. As you can see, there's zero open interest because it just got registered today. I got them before. I got them last week, I believe, or earlier this week, all before these were registered. It's fire, right? I got them at what, like $32, I believe. I got them really cheap for $200 potential gain. I got them really cheap for about $32. I'm up $20 on them. I only got one contract. We would have been above 1,000. I'm trying to hit that 1,000 mark. But we would have been above 1,000. You remember those AMD calls that I went like deep on? I went like, I went 5 debit cred. What am I saying? 5 debit spread contracts, and the total was 220. I thought I was gonna make like a quick $30 gain. But if you look at AMD, oof, I got shaked off of those. Now it's at 82. I wish I set them for this week. But dude, I don't know. It's kind of crazy. Yeah, if we look at what last Friday, right? Yeah, AMD finished what at around 750, right? 75. I sold them earlier in the day. I sold them around here when it was around 75.15, 75.20, and I was just so scared that I would just finish all of it out of the money, right? It would be below 74 or 75 rather. So I lost $100 on those. We would have been over 1,000. It sucks, but you can't dwell on losses. You can't dwell on losses. It's alrighty. I bought into D-King. I'm trying to play their earnings. I bought these for $25 a piece. Their earnings are if we go to D-King, DraftKings, their earnings are next week pre-market, November 13th pre-market. So I'm just hoping to play these. I'm already in the money on them, $42, 42.5. I'm already in the money on them. It's easy $25 gain if they do good on earnings. I was just looking to play them regardless. How about Tilray? Yes, sir, your boy bought Tilray. Weed stock. I'm expecting a Biden win from the election. Not to be political, but I expect a Biden win. So I think Tilray would do very good. These are for next week, so it might rocket a bit higher to the $8-9 range. So I've only bought 2 contracts. No, not 2 contracts. I bought 1 contract at $7 a piece, $8 a piece, and I'm down like what, $1 on it since it's 0.07. So extremely cheap for 42 potential dollar profit. So that's kind of light. If we move on, I got Baba. November 20th. I was up on these actually. I was up on these. I bought them for 41 though. Yeah, they dropped when Baba was really high up. They dropped, and I got them at 41. But Baba, as you can see, they did well on their earnings, but I don't know what happened. You know, they did surprisingly well in their earnings, but they dropped regardless. I'm hoping that they recover and I can perhaps maybe cut the losses at when the option itself is at $30. I'm hoping to cut losses at $30, so that would be good. Um, Move on. Yeah, I just have a bunch of Neo. This Neo right here, the 27.5 and $28 call is just glitching. I'm deep in the money right now, and I can't sell it because there's like extremely low volume, especially since it is on December 4th. It's like a weird date. A lot of the volume is in December 18th, since it's like right in the middle of December, and December 4th wasn't registered mid October. It was only December 18th, since it was like long out, considered a leap, I guess. So I got these for $22 a piece. I got one contract. I'm up $26 in it right now. I'm just gonna let it expire. I'll try to sell it, maybe put it back into Neo stock, but I'm not sure. It's extremely low volume. Neo $39, $40 calls. You remember these? These are at I got these for 17, and you remember how they dipped to $9? That's crazy. All time. Let's see all time. They dipped to like 11, $9. I remember seeing it at $9 and I didn't buy in, thinking that, oh well. But wow. And now they're at $40. That's crazy. I bought QCOM. They did well. QCOM did absolutely amazing. They crushed earnings, right? And as you can see on the week, boom, a huge gap up. So I bought this for January 15th. It's a really long kind of a leap. I'm just hoping to see if they continue on higher. If they continue on higher, I'll kind of this is a pure call. It's not a debit spread. It's a call. I'm up $2 on it. So if they do good, and they keep on continuing higher, I'll cash that out for some profit. That's basically it. You'll notice now I actually have a live account for the balance of my account. That's because of I bought some Bitcoin for long term. I think Bitcoin's been going up. It recently hit 15K. It hasn't reached 15K in a while. So I just bought $10. I was like, whatever. I'll keep it for a few years. Maybe when Bitcoin reaches like 20K plus. A lot of people think it will. I personally think it does have potential to reach 20K plus. A lot of people are saying 100K, 200K, 500K, even $1 million. I'm not really sure. Those are like huge like mega bulls on Bitcoin. I'm not really sure. I don't know too much about crypto, but a lot of them are saying it will reach that. I also bought Mara calls, $5 calls. Mara is it's in coalition, not coalition. It's like in the same boat as crypto, right? So if crypto does good, Mara does good. As you can see, crypto went up today. Bitcoin went up today, so it's up. Yeah, it's incredible. My whole portfolio is up. If we actually look last week, over the course of last week, it wasn't pretty. That AMD kind of destroyed me, as well as Neo stock being down as well last week. Before it kind of rocketed up to this week, I was down. I was at 630, and I was like, I was kind of shaking. I was like, yo, what? I really lost $300 from the highs last week when I said, oh yeah, I'm good. Easy $30 gain, dude. I'm such a clown. I'm not gonna do that again. I'm not gonna buy more than like one contract on a debit spread. No, I'm gonna try to restrict. And as you can see all here, I'm going like really light. Like they're all less than $30, $40, $50. So I'm gonna go really light so I don't blow up my account. I think that's really key that I really need to follow and stick by. So I'm not gonna go more than $50 ever on a contract, hopefully, unless I really see huge potential on it. But yeah, we went down to 630, and I was like, yo, what in the world? But finally, in Neo on Monday, when they released deliveries, it rocketed up to 800, and I felt like a sigh of relief. I was like, whew, thank God, dude. And then it started rocketing up. I sold the AMD for a loss. I made a lot of profit on some Neo debit spreads weeklies, some call options, and we're up, baby. We're almost to that $1,000 mark. Whew. Can you smell it? I can smell it, baby. That was not smooth. I can smell it. As we said, Neo, it's about to break 41. Holy crap. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much. Thank you guys for spending time with me. Let me know how your day was. Alright? Let me know how your day was. Speaking of Robinhood, make sure you use my Robinhood link down in the description below. My referral link. You get a free stock. I get a free stock. Who does not like free money? Tell your friends about it. They get a free stock. Let's run it up, baby. Hopefully next week we can hit 1,000. That would be absolutely beautiful. Maybe by Friday tomorrow if Neo continues to rocket higher. But that'll be it for me. Have a good day. Let's go in the markets. Calm, relax, level head, emotionless. Let's get them gains, baby. All right, I'll see y'all. Peace.